One of Archimedes' specialities was weapons of mass destruction. They were used against the Romans when they invaded his home of Syracuse in 212 BC. He also designed mirrors which harnessed the power of the sun to set the Roman ships on fire. But to Archimedes, these endeavours were mere amusements in geometry. He had loftier ambitions.
Archimedes was enraptured by pure mathematics and believed in studying mathematics for its own sake, and not for the ignoble trade of engineering or the sordid quest for profit.
One of his finest investigations into pure mathematics was to produce formulas to calculate the areas of regular shapes.
Archimedes' method was to capture new shapes by using shapes he already understood. So, for example, to calculate the area of a circle, he would enclose it inside a triangle, and then by doubling the number of sides on the triangle, the enclosing shape would get closer and closer to the circle. Indeed, we sometimes call a circle a polygon with an infinite number of sides. But by estimating the area of the circle, Archimedes is in fact getting a value for pi, the most important number in mathematics.
However, it was calculating the volumes of solid objects where Archimedes excelled. He found a way to calculate the volume of a sphere by slicing it up and approximating each slice as a cylinder. He then added up the volumes of the slices to get an approximate value for the sphere. But his act of genius was to see what happens if you make the slices thinner and thinner. In the limit, the approximation becomes an exact calculation. But it was Archimedes' commitment to mathematics that will be his undoing.
Archimedes was contemplating a problem about circles traced in the sand when a Roman soldier accosted him. Archimedes was so engrossed in his problem that he insisted he'd be allowed to finish his theorem. But the Roman soldier was not interested in Archimedes' problem and killed him on the spot. Even in death, Archimedes' devotion to mathematics was unwavering.